Hello, welcome to Bombay Tools, the Tools Experts Talk. Today we are going to be talking about the 31-piece insulated toolkit. 31-piece insulated toolkit manufactured at to EN IEC 60900. The tool was individually tested at 10,000 volt AC and approved for 1000 volts AC. The yellow and red layer grip is for electrical protection with foam material inserts in a durable plastic case. Insulated combination plier is ergonomically shaped to component handles. Comfort grip. The gripping zones for flat and round material, suitable for versatile use. Long cutting edges for thicker cables and cutting edge hardness approx. 50 HRC. The mostly insulated tools used in chemical and fertilizers, pharmaceuticals companies, automobile manufacturing, power and utilities, engineering companies, telecommunication, FMCG manufacturing, etc. Thank you for taking the time to watch this The Tools Expert Talks.